If you've ever flown over a metal rooftop or body of water, you might have noticed strange streaks, color artifacts, or even missing pixels in your orthophoto. These distortions are typically caused by reflections or glare on shiny surfaces like solar panels, metal barns or industrial roofs, or standing water, low-angle imagery, introducing ghosting or perspective mismatches, and inconsistent lighting, causing wildly different RGB values across the same surface. For example, a metal rooftop might appear silver in one photo and bluish-gray or almost white in another, depending on the sun angle and camera view. When these images are stitched together into an orthophoto, the result can look patchy or inconsistent, with visible color seams or tone breaks across a surface that should be uniform. While flying higher or capturing better quality images can help, that's not always an option, especially if you've already left the site. That's where the Orthoimage editing tool can help you out. To use the Orthoimage editing tool, first identify the problem area. Zoom into the area of your orthophoto where the distortion appears, such as a metal roof, water feature, or glare-heavy zone, and then using the canvas tools, draw a polygon over the problem area. You can do this for as many problem zones as needed across your dataset. In this case, we are looking at a dataset with multiple metal reflective roofs. Notice the distortion and missing data all over this surface, a perfect candidate for orthoimage editing. Note that the metal roof above and below this unprocessed roof have already been corrected and reprocessed. Let's fix this one up as well. Then select your polygon layer and click Assign Views in the submenu. A list of available photo angles will appear, where you should try to choose the clearest, least reflective views. It is recommended that priority should be given to images that have the full polygon area visible in the image, rather than just a segment of it. These will be used to regenerate that section of the ortho. As a tip, look for images taken closer to nadir or with less variation in lighting for best results. Avoid oblique or side-lit angles that contribute to distortion. After assigning views to all of your polygons, click Process Project. You'll be prompted with two reprocessing options. First, reprocess full project, which starts from the dense point cloud step using your selected views and is ideal if the mesh also needs refinement. Or you can choose to reprocess orthomosaic only. This regenerates the ortho from your assigned views, skipping 3D processing entirely. If you have already reprocessed ortho images in your project, you also have the opportunity to revert orthomosaic edits, which returns the orthomosaic to its original state. You can choose the option that best suits your situation and then confirm with Yes Reprocess to begin. Orthoimage editing is especially useful when you can't return to the field for a reshoot, your ortho needs to meet higher visual standards for client reports, or you're trying to fix minor defects without reprocessing the entire dataset. With orthoimage editing, you no longer have to settle for distorted imagery. Whether you're dealing with reflective surfaces, lighting inconsistencies, or just need a touch-up before delivery, just draw, assign, and reprocess. Simple, precise, and built for real-world mapping.